to a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you the unpacking of the Quotation collection. Quotation is not a huge collection, it's small and colorful, and love the combination here of the colors especially. And this is how it looks in the store when you find them in the at My Little Pet store. It looks like this, and of course you can scroll down and choose the different option of this collection. You can buy a bundle, and you can buy all the extra packs here and select them. And this is you can see the previews on top of here and the magic lights here, or you can choose maybe the art pieces number 1, and this is how they look like. But we jump into the folders, and then you can directly see what's included. First of all, here is a little bit of a creative work from my team. My top favorite one is this one. It's very beautiful, and it can you can print that and hang it on your wall. It really looks pretty awesome. Okay, let's go. Here is the Artsy Bits and Pieces, a number 1 folder. This is how they look like, colorful with gesso, black, a lot of scribbles, and very artsy. You get here also with old ledger papers, or love letters are included over here. We have some book pieces in a clipped on those elements which I have doodled by myself, and a little bit of a stitching. Also here, I love that one. That's really nice. It's like 3D sticker, and that one is more with a gesso filled. This is the Artsy Bits and Pieces number 1. Well, we have only 1 pack, so it's not number 1, it's the Artsy Bits and Pieces. And then we have the Loopy Lelusas over here. Only scribbled, some loops, some strokes, some whatever, and you get ABR file, which should work always in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. These are the Loopy Lelusas. And then we go to the magic lights, who they are very colorful. We have here hearts and stars, bouquet effects, lightnings, here such like strokes. They work perfectly over your images or over Artsy Bits, and with color burn or color setting of your in your Photoshop, you can reach really cool effects with those magic lights. Then we have masks here, and also here you get 8 different masks. And also I have included here a brush file, so you can use them also as brushes. And they are very grungy and artsy, so this is how they look like. Then the next folder are the out of the box frames, the quotes, and I really love them. They look very cool, and if you have a nice quote, or if you have something special to say in your layout, this works perfectly. And they are layered, so of course you can combine them with different collections you always have, or use other styles. For example, when you have that here, I only choose here randomly now one of the styles I have just loaded. They are not included now, but maybe you have already other styles in your stash, and this is how you can use them. Or you can clip things, so you can change completely the whole look of each of those 4 different out of the box styles, frames. of course, you can clip on the background a photo, or you can clip a paper or leave them how they are. This is up to you. And now we go to the solid papers. Here we go. We have some nice black one here, and pink, yellow, baby blue, and my color turquoise or aqua is this more, and also a little bit of a neutral color with a little bit of a gesso overlay. Then we have the urban art pieces. They are way too cool, and brushes are included, and they are really artsy, and they will give your pages such a cool effect. Really, look at that. You can use them with styles. You can leave them how they are in black. You can mix and match them. You can clip papers on them. I think you will get really cool layouts using those ones. And of course you get here a brush file, ABR file, which should work in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. So this is the art pieces number 1, and then we have art pieces number 2. These look like that one, more of a little bit of stitching and framing, and you also get here, I'm sure you have cool effects on your layouts with those one. Also here you get brushes with this kind of with this pack, and use them in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. So the last photos are the word arts, and you also get here some typo styled one, and we have here some Dymo style, and also here I have a little bit color underneath it. This is how they look like, and so a lot of different word arts you can find here. And I added also here the brush file, so you can use all this word arts as a brush file. So this is it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Have a good time, and see you in the next one. Bye.